Hello, let's focus on today's topic on how to create or design websites. This is a step-by-step process. Now let's get started. For website development, we need two minimum things. One is domain, second one is hosting. Nowadays, many companies are providing hosting service and domain service as well. Companies like Big Rock, Google, and Hostinger as well. I choose here Hostinger as a partner or as a service provider, both domain and web hosting, because it's very user friendly as I found. Also, we can integrate or migrate our websites through Hostinger. Now, now we'll go with the first thing, which is purchasing of a domain, and later we'll go hosting, and then go with designing thing through WordPress. Please watch it carefully, but don't buy anything or don't do anything. First, watch this video completely. First is purchasing domain and then hosting, and then I'll come to the designing part as well. After that, you can purchase or any of the hosting or site or any of the websites or host sites, domain or web hosting services. So let's start it. Now we can go to the plans. So I purchase for 24 months. So there is a several plans here. You can go with the 1 month, 12 month, or 14 months. So here this plan comes with purchase of domain and web hosting both. So in this topic we covered both domain and hosting. So hosting for 24 months and a free domain for 1 year. So let's get started. So once you purchase, you will get a redirect to Hostinger website, and he will ask you some questions like myself or my business, or you can ask the questions, answer the questions. Sorry, answer the questions as per the Hostinger website asking. Then click on next, and you can choose here two themes. Like one is WordPress, one is Hostinger Builder. So I choose WordPress here, as I told you before. So designing I want to do through WordPress because it's a drag and drop process through WordPress. So I choose here WordPress. So you can choose. I suggest you can go with the WordPress as well, and then click on next, and simultaneously complete the process as per the demand. Here he will ask you some ID password, that you can put your ID and password here, and then then now you will redirect to the hosting or website. So you just need to follow the process, and then it will automatically get it done. As I told you, now here you can choose your one domain which is free. I choose your one domain here, so you can choose your domain here as well, and then you will automatically you will get it free for 1 year. So this is the process, and then later you can once you choose, it will automatically redirect to uploading your domain to WordPress design. Once you now here you can log in through your email ID password as you set over there.